What is going on, guys? How you all doing? I know you guys have been requesting this video for a very, very long time. So I'm going to do this video for you guys because you guys have been requesting. So the main purpose of this video, as you see by the title, is to how to make an updating leaderboard that runs through, that basically saves all of that. Like, it's not like server wide, it's basically whole game wide. What I mean, like, you can be at another server and update, you can be offline, and someone can be in servers and they could, and your name will basically just stay there. You might know what I mean by going into other games and what their leaderboard system might look like. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that yourself. Because I noticed this by going around to different content. And no one really shows how to do this. They show you basically the standard steps, but they don't save. So I'm going to do this for you, and if you guys want to, stay till the end of the video, and I have a special gift for all of you. Anyways, let's get started into this build. I'm going to do no camera for this one, so all you guys have to do is just pretty much just focus. Alright, what we're going to need is a block, right? We're going to need a block right here. And what we're going to do is, you can make this any size you want, but we're just going to go with this size so we can do the example, alright? You can make it like this big, this skinny, doesn't really matter, but we're going to mainly focus on this side right here, okay? So what we're going to need, guys, is a Surface GUI. The reason why we need Surface GUI is so it can be planted right on here, right? You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Alright, and right after that, we're going to need to do two different frames, okay? We're going to need a frame that's going to be called holder, and that needs to be a scrolling frame. And then we also need a regular frame, and we're going to name that top bar. So this is kind of what I mean. We're going to go through here, we're going to find scrolling frame, and we're going to rename that to holder. Alright, we're going to rename that the holder. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing again, but make sure it's just a regular frame. And right there, we're going to call this one top bar. And what I mean by top bar is it's pretty much where it would say like your name and like or the rank and then the number or the numbers you have. So like for example, rank, name, and then the numbers that you would like to have and request. All right, that's pretty much where I'm kind of going with this. All right, just not really too fancy. And then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna position the top bar. Sorry, I mean holder. I mixed this up. All right, so what first we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and position the holder, the scrolling frame. You're gonna come down here to position. You don't want to touch these three numbers right here. You just want to touch the last one. And with the last one, you're just gonna change it to a 60, just so it's labeled. You know what I mean correctly, if you know what I mean. All right. And you're also going to make sure the size of it is going to be the correct size. So what we're going to do is, I think this is the standard size right here. So what we're going to do is going to change this 100 to an 800, right? And we're going to change the 100 over here to a 554. I mean 545, I'm sorry. So there we go. We should be fine. Is what I think we should be fine. Alright. If it doesn't work fine, we will fix that. Alright. And what we're going to do is we're going to include 3 different tags in the top bar section. But I already got this done, so I'm just going to go ahead and place this into. So there we go. So we have player, rank, and total wheat. I own a game called Harvesting Simulator. It was made under one of my development groups, which will be also linked in the description. And I just don't really change the name because I don't really want to mess it up, even though I could just change it. And you guys can change it too if you want. Just change it to whatever. But mine's just going to stay Total Wheat. And what we're going to do here is, let's see if this works. Okay, cool. It's on this side. Let's see. So by the looks of it, we might need to position and size this a bit better. Alright. This is why I did this one first. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to the size, right? You're going to take out this 100, and we're going to make that a 0, right? And we're going to come down here. we're gonna change this to a 1, so it covers that. And then we're gonna take out this one, and we're gonna make this one a 0.1. So it would be exactly like that. And what I like to do is, because I like having the text as white, so I changed the background color to black. And there you go, guys. We have the rank and we have the player in coins. And then the holder, we can pretty much just keep the holder white if you know what I mean. We're gonna get there. All right. And if we go ahead and join the game, all right, we're gonna go ahead and join the game so we can just show you guys kind of what it looks like while we're in game. So far, by the looks of this, we are right here. We have the ranks, we have player, we have coins, and I would recommend anchoring if you're a person that develops games but you don't know how to anchor. You can pretty much just highlight it and then just hit anchor up here. All right, and the next very important part of this whole thing though is you guys are gonna need to come down to Republican storage, and what you're gonna need to do. Because you're gonna do another frame, right? You're gonna do another frame. It's just gonna be a regular frame, all right? Just a regular frame. And so we're gonna insert object. We're gonna go to frame. Where is it? Where is it? Frame. Do they not have frames under here? There should be. Oh, there it is. All right. If you guys need to, just do it there and then drag it over to Republican storage. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna rename that to IB. It's gonna be uppercase I, lowercase b, and then capital FRAME. So it'll be IB frame. All right. And what you're going to do is you're gonna come back up here. You're from top bar, and you're gonna go ahead and copy this, and all you have to do is place it in. That's probably like the most easiest thing. And you're pretty much gonna keep the settings the same. Doesn't matter. Just keep it the same. And another thing that you're going to need to do for this to work in general is you guys are going to have to come down this server script service. And what you're also going to do is insert, and you're just going to insert a script. And what you're going to do is just, if you guys want to just wait, like I said, wait for the end of the video, you guys will be getting a gift from me. But if you guys want to go ahead and just go along, go ahead. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in game.players.player added semicolon connect the 2 comma, well, I'm wrong, okay, wait, and then function. That's kind of what I mean by that. You guys didn't see that. And basically that is just something right there. Okay, it's something. I don't really want to discuss it. And we're gonna do local is equal instance dot new. We're going to do these two right here, and we're going to do that. We're going to type in folder, comma, players. All right, we're going to do that. Okay, no, I'm sorry, not players, player. And we're come back here, capital I. We're going to do this, and we're going to do a space, and we're going to do is.name equals leader stats. See, you guys are probably getting the gist of this, right? And now this part's like the most easiest part, and you can do as many of these that you guys want. So pretty much just do local, and then we're gonna do currency name, and we're gonna do equal instance dot new. Sorry, not a capital. And we're gonna do the 2 commas, not commas on the 2. You know what I mean? Okay, and we're gonna do int value, and we're going to come over here, we're going to do comma is, and we're going to do currency name, not name, equals currency name. And I'm just going to label this like this for you guys. Alright. Change currency name to the name of your value. I'm just gonna put that, alright? I'm gonna just say value, because why not? Wait, why did I put a comma there? example money. I'm gonna say the same thing down here. All right, we're gonna do the same thing down here. Change this to the number of money. And like I said, you guys can pretty much do more than one. For an example, like you can just copy and paste this and then do that. Like it's that easy. But like we're gonna do let's do this. We're gonna do money. Let's do money. We're gonna copy money. We're gonna put it here. Put money here. And let's do wheat. Let's do wheat. All right, we're gonna do some wheat. Okay. There we go. There we go. And now this is basically the main core that we just needed to get this thing working. So let's go into the game and see if the leader stats are working, and then we can get into the main script to get that working. Yeah, see guys, the leader stats are not working. We have both of the leader stats. We have money and wheat. And if you guys want to see if this works, we can go ahead and go to players by name, and then we can go to leader stats, and we can change money to an example. Let's say that. There we go. Our money changed, right? We're going to do the same thing, the wheat. Let's come here, and there we go. We have 8 million wheat now. So you can see that it works. Now we have to go down to the main script that will get this working. So what you're going to want to do is go to server script service. You're going to insert a script. All right, you're going to insert a script. Just to let you guys know, this is going to be a very long script. I just want to make everybody aware of that. This is going to be the longest script of this tutorial. And what you guys want to do is, if you guys want to just help yourself out. Alright, hold on. I'm going to help myself out here so I don't confuse myself. I'm going to name this stats. Actually, let's make this leader stats. Alright, let's make that leader stats. And we're going to change this to, let's do top money. Alright, we're going to change it to top money. Alright, we can basically get rid of this because that was from the stats. So let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and speed lapse this so you guys can watch. If you guys want to, put it in slow-mo so you guys can copy around. But I'm gonna go ahead and speed lapse it, so enjoy. Alright guys, so I went ahead and just finished the script. I didn't want you guys to sit through that and wait. But you guys can go ahead, pause the video, type everything that I have here. Or you guys can go ahead, and like I said, there was going to be a surprise at the end of this video. So all you guys would have to do is go into the description. I have an uncopy locked in place. You guys can just go ahead, take the model for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and organize this so you all can get it. I'll make sure it's in the right category so you guys know where to put everything. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is InScane. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my live streams. I do a lot of development live streams on my YouTube channel. I do also a lot more as well, like gaming videos, like Roblox jailbreak and some Fortnite custom matchmaking, stuff like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. I didn't really want to waste so much time by typing the whole thing because there was a lot more to type that I didn't really want to type for you. If you know what I mean, like if you here, let me go ahead and do this. All right. If you guys notice, there is a lot more that I had to type by looking behind me. There's literally a lot more to type there, and I didn't really want to type all that. All right. I'm sorry. I didn't want to do it. So I hope you all enjoyed. Anyways, I hope this helped you all. Anyways, I know I said anyways like 5 times already. I'm sorry if I didn't type all of this on here, but like I said, I'm giving you guys the model, so enjoy. Alright guys, we're gonna go see if this works. We're gonna go ahead and go in game. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna publish this to Roblox and we're gonna go over to the game because the script doesn't really like to work in studio. So I go inside the actual game and test it. So we're gonna go ahead and go, like I said, we're gonna go wonderfully in game, and we're gonna see if this works. And if it works, then perfectly fine. And I want to show you guys a little trick that you guys can do if you are the game owner. It would only work if you're the game owner. It won't work for anybody else. I just want to say that. All right. So if we look here, our stats are actually showing up, and when it goes away, it's actually meaning that it's actually refreshing. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into F9, go to server, and what you're going to type in is you're going to type in game.players.your Roblox name .leader stats .money or whatever your leader stat currency is, and then type .value and then equal as much as you would like, and it should give you the amount up here. And if we wait perfectly, you would see that the coin section of the leaderboard would actually refresh and put the actual number there. Alright, and anyways guys, so I hope you all enjoyed. Anyways, I hope this helped you all. Anyways, I know I said like 5 times already. I'm sorry if I didn't type all of this on here, but like I said, I'm giving you guys the model, so enjoy.